What's good, Super Nation? What's good, everybody out there? So tonight I'll be showing you guys how to fix your L2 trigger. So now if you're having a problem with your L2 trigger and every time you click it you keep moving forward, it is because something is up with the controller. So I'll be showing you guys two methods of how to fix this, and hopefully it helps you guys out. So the first one is to get a bobby pin or a pencil or pen, and then you're going to press, like you're going to look for this hole behind here, then you're going to press it and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then what will happen is your controller will disconnect, and then you press the PlayStation icon and it'll move. Then the next method is to basically place your mouth over the L1 and R2 right here, and then you just blow, and then all of a sudden you just try it out and it works. Apparently something is like wedged between the L2 trigger, so by blowing out like really hard, it fixed it. It's weird. So if this helps you guys, please drop a like, post your comments down below, share this video with your friends, and also hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, you become a Super Nation. If you don't know what that is, that's my YouTube family. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more Super videos. Peace, I'm out.